Reach up through your skull bones, pull the heads of your shoulders back, let out a nice big and then I want you to focus on you. Take some stress out of your day with a little yawn. And then just find some softness in your body. Okay, and we're gonna think about the ocean for a little bit, okay? So the ocean comes out from the sea. Those big waves come out, they touch the shore, and they get all tingly in the shore. They play with the sand, and then they go back out, back out into the ocean. So that's what we do in our lives. We come out full of energy, we play with life, put our feet in the sand, and then at night we go back, we recharge. Okay, it's a fun analogy. So I want you to think about that now when we do this meditation. I want you to think about how you play in the sand, what you like to do in life that really makes you sparkle, what makes you authentically you. So sit up tall, take an inhale, sip the breath in, and then exhale, let it out. Again, inhale, sip the breath in, and exhale, let it out. Now with your eyes closed, I want you to feel that shine inside of you, that sparkle. Okay, so let's think about the night sky, that nice, beautiful sky at night. You see the moon, you see the stars, you see those stars sparkling, the beautiful energy of the stars. I want you to tune into that energy of those stars and feel that sparkle inside of you. Feel how you sparkle outward and you feel that energy coming inward. I want you to feel all of that. Keep your eyes closed, feel that star energy, and inhale and exhale. With each breath, as you inhale, think about twinkle lights. You know the lights we see around the holidays? And as you inhale, I want you to feel those lights starting to get stronger and stronger and brighter, just like the lights inside of you. Sometimes we call them chakras. Those lights inside of you with the breath. Inhale and exhale. Use the breath. Sometimes it's referred to as a vehicle for higher consciousness, a vehicle for manifestation. What does that mean? It means it helps us to get to different places, just like a car or a bicycle. Our breath carries that energy. It's our life force. It's woven into the breath. So as you inhale, feel the breath and feel the sparkle. As you exhale, send it out and let it go. Again, inhale, sip the breath in, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, nice and bright. Feel your star energy inside of you. Feel that shine. Feel the sparkle. And then let's think about what it is about you that really, really makes you sparkle. Maybe it's a friend or a dog, or maybe it's a neighbor, a mom, a sister, a brother, a dad, a cousin. Maybe it's your nanny, whoever it is. Think about when you're with them, how you feel and sparkle, and how it makes your twinkle lights get brighter. What is it that you like to do? Do you like to cook? Do you like to play baseball? Do you like to read, color? Do you like to play with your dolls? What makes you really sparkle and shine? Do you like to get dressed up? Do you like building structures? Do you like to play games? Okay, now feel those people and those things, and I want you to feel that energy, that sparkle, and just keep it inside of here. Let go of whatever it is. Maybe it's your feet in the sand. That's fun. That's so much fun. And just feel that feeling inside of you. And then let go of the beach, let go of the baseball, just feel that energy. that shine. And sparkle. Sparkle and shine like a star no matter what is in front of you. Maybe it's not your favorite thing. Maybe it's, I don't know, math or science. Maybe that's not your favorite thing. Maybe that really is your favorite thing and you're not too crazy about art or music. Whatever it is, I want you to feel that sparkle inside of you no matter what. And keep that sparkle with you all day and all night. So close your eyes. Now, visualize that ocean wave again as the ocean goes out into the sandy beaches. So it's coming out of the water into the sandy beaches and it's tickling the sand and it feels good. In some spots it doesn't feel good, but it's still strong and powerful and bright and shiny, glimmery water, and it's all going back out. And that's you. Sometimes you go and you play and you do fun things, and sometimes they're not so fun, but you are going to feel that feeling, that vibrancy inside of you, no matter what. No matter what, and then you'll get more of it. You'll get more sparkle, and more shine. Okay. Let's start to close this meditation. Reach up through your skull bones, take your hands to your heart center, and I want you to feel that shine as we chant the sound of Om together. Inhale. Now take your hands to your forehead center and we say Namaste. Namaste. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste. May the light inside of me that sparkles so bright honor the light inside of you that sparkles and shines. Have a beautiful day. If you like this, please press the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and you'll get notified if we have more fun videos about meditation and yoga and fun stuff as we play in this world. And if you want to see more of these videos, leave a comment below. Let me know what you like.